guys, welcome back to my channel for my second CVS video this week. Thank you all for joining me and thanks for being here and all your support. If you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you. I would also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I'll pick up in this video will be the Garnier facial care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $5 extra care box back. I'll pick up two of the Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. They are priced at $10.99. That means one will be full price and the second one will be $5.50. These two items will total $16.50. Everybody have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to this. And I also have an email 5 off 2 facial care CRT. And I have another 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT that will also apply to this deal. With the 2 CRTs and the digital coupon, it will drop it down to $7.49 and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making both just $2.49 or $1.25 each. The next deal will be on poise pads or liners. They're on sale for 2 for $13, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. I'm going to pick up 2 of the 20 count pads. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8, and I'll get $2 extra care box back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each. That will be a total of $4, and after the rebate, these two items will end up costing just $2 or $1 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. All my coupons are applied, the $2 for the Garnier, the 5 off 2 for the poise pad, and the 5 off 2 CRT, the email CRT came off, the 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT applied, and I used $14.98 in extra care box, paid just 50 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $5 for buying 2 of the Garnier products and $2 back for buying 2 of the poise pad. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $4. That's $2 on each pad. After the rebate, this transaction ended up costing me just $4.48 or $1.12 each. The next deal I picked up is the Oral-B toothbrush. They are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3, you get $5 extra care box back. I'll pick up 3 of the toothbrushes. These 3 will total $11.97. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will apply to them. And we also have a $1 coupon for Oral-B toothbrushes that will double dip with the 5 off 3. I also have a 3 off 12 oral care CRT that will apply to this. Because I'm spending $11.97, that's within the 98% rule to use the 3 off 12. After the 2 coupons and the CRT, I will pay $2.97 and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making all 3 free and a $2.03 money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be the spend 15 get $5 extra care box back, and that includes the Maybelline Cosmetics and the Essie nail polish. I'll pick up one of the Maybelline baby lips priced at $4.99, and I'll also pick up one of the Essie nail polish priced at $10. These two will total $14.99. For the Maybelline baby lips, we have a $4 instant CRT everybody received today. And for the Essie nail polish, we all received a $4 instant CRT. I also have a $3 off Essie nail product CRT that we'll be using with this deal. With the 3 CRTs, it will drop it down to $3.99 and I'll get $5 extra care box back, making these 2 items free and a $1.01 money maker. This is what this transaction will look like. I'm combining the oral care deal and the Maybelline deal. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. The 5 off 3 digital coupon double dipped with the $1 off for the Oral-B toothbrush. The 3 off 12 oral care CRT applied, and the $4 for the Maybelline CRT came off. The $4 for the Essie nail polish and the $3 for Essie nail product, they all applied. I used $7 extra care box to pay for this, which was adjusted down to $6.96. I paid 0 out of pocket, I only paid tax, and I got back $5 for buying 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes and $5 back for doing the Maybelline deal. The next deal I'll pick up will be the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back, and I'll pick up the Pantene Pro V Miracles. They on sale for buy one get one 40% off. And I'll pick up one of the conditioners priced at $11.99. I'm picking up just one because I want to do this deal a little different. The next two items I'll pick up will be the CVS Health Allergy Relief priced at $7.99, and these are the 100 tablets. And the last item to complete this deal will be the CVS Health Ibuprofen 20 soft gels priced at $5.79. These four items will total $33.76. For the Pantene conditioner, I have two $3 CRTs that we'll use for it, but we also have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. I can't use it with this deal because I'm picking up just one conditioner. And for the CVS Allergy Relief, I have a 5 off 15 CVS Health Allergy Relief CRT. And for the ibuprofen, I have a $3 off CVS Health Pain CRT that I'll use for it. The reason I picked up one Pantene conditioner instead of picking up two and using the buy one get one 40% off is because I have 3% of CRTs that will only work on one full price item, and I'll check out this Pantene conditioner by itself because this deal is going to track. Let's go over this receipt and see how the CRTs worked out. The first two $3 CRTs are applied, and the first percentage of CRT was a 35% off. That took off $2.10, and the second percentage of CRT is 20% off, and it took off 78 cents. And the third one, which is 10% off, took off 32 cents. I paid $2.79 out of pocket because when you use percentage of CRT and you use extra care box, the percentage of CRT applies after the coupons and the extra care box. That means if you're using extra care box, the value of the percentage of CRT would reduce. And now you can see at the bottom of my receipt where it's tracking, because I spent $11.99. That means I need $18.01 to complete this deal. These are the rest of the items for the spend 30 get $10 back. It totals $21.77. I have a 5 off 15 for the allergy medicine, and for the ibuprofen, I have a $3 CRT. The two CRTs are going to drop it down to $13.77, and I'll get $10 extra care box back, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each allergy medicine. After the rebate, this transaction will end up costing me just 56 cents or 14 cents each. Let's go over my receipt for the second part of the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back. You can see my 5 off 15 came off and the $3 CRT applied as well. I ended up using $10 extra care box, paid $3.77 out of pocket, and I got back my $10 extra care box. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each allergy medicine. That's a total of $6. And after that rebate, these four items ended up costing me just 56 cents or 14 cents each. The last item I picked up is a toddler cleansing wipes. They are priced at $2.09, but they're on sale for buy one get one half off. I only picked up one because I have a $2 baby wipes CRT that made this only 9 cents. And this is my receipt. As you can see, I only paid 9 cents plus tax, which is just 1 cent. That means I paid just 10 cents for these wipes. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for your support and thank you all for watching. And I'll talk to you all next time.